Today you're going to be reading the passage, The Ant and the Grasshopper. And when you go into McGraw-Hill SSO, you're going to click on the book icon. It's going to look like this. And then you're going to look for this passage. It is a drama. And after you read it, you're going to answer a few questions. So you can access this by simply clicking to the next slide. I want you to write in complete sentences. That means capital at the beginning of the sentence, punctuation mark at the end. In most cases, they're going to be statements or telling sentences, so you would simply be using a period. You also need to make sure that they are a complete thought. That means they have a subject and a predicate. Be careful of your fragments and your run-on sentences as you're writing. So the first question you're going to answer is, what is the setting of this story? Setting is where a story takes place. That can be a location, it could be a time of year, those kinds of things. And how does the setting affect the plot? The plot means the storyline. So this question is really here because the original version of The Ant and the Grasshopper is not set in the African plains, the African grasslands. So the setting does affect the plot a little bit differently. So I want you to really think about, how does the setting affect the plot? Again, make sure it's a complete sentence. And then think a little more deeply. What's the theme or the message or moral of this drama? Okay. And then following up, what clues in the story helped you understand this theme? So be able to back up, just like in class, whenever you say, remember when we read about the tortoise and the hare, and many of you wrote down slow and steady wins the race. But many of you weren't able to explain what slow and steady meant. So in this case, whatever theme you're choosing, you need to be able to back it up with what in the text made you think that.